Good morning, my dear friends. I am Vijendra Jain with this next video of chapter number 1, number system of standard 9th. Today we are going to solve exercise 1.3 with the previous videos, with the topics of previous videos. In previous videos we have seen the recently terminating and non-terminating recurring. In that terminating में हमने क्या देखा था, when the decimal expansion यानी division में जब रिमाइंडर जो है जीरो आ जाए देन इट इज टर्मिनेटिंग, और रिमाइंडर जीरो नहीं आता इट मींस दैट इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. नाउ सी द आंसर्स ओवर हियर. द क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 1.3. Question number 1 is given what? Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. Again I am repeating the question. Question is what? Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. Question number 1 is 36 upon 100, 1 upon 11, 4 integer 1 upon 8, 3 upon 13, 2 upon 11 and 3 to 9 upon 400. In last video I have told you that when in denominator 2 is there, 4 is there, 8 is there, 16 is there. It means what? 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. These are the forms of 2 raised to then 32, 64 up to 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6, or 5, 25, 125, 625 and etc. 5 raised to 1, 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 3, 5 raised to 4. These are the given. In denominator, so if 2 raised to 1 is given, so we should multiply it with 5, or 5 is given, then it is multiplied by 2. See how it is done. Suppose I have 3 upon 2, तो I just want to convert it into the decimal expansion. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, ऊपर भी 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, नीचे भी 5 से, तो 15 upon 10 will be 1.5. Suppose I have 27 upon 5. So what I will do, 5 is given, so multiply 2, so this is 54 or 10 is 5.4. So this is the way. Suppose 4 is given over here, so I will multiply with 25. 8 will be here, then I will multiply with 125. Suppose 7 upon 8 is given. 7 upon 8 is given. So 8 is equal to 2 raised to cube, 2 raised to 3. तो 5 raised to 3 का इसमें मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इट मींस 125. तो ऊपर भी मुझे 125 का मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. इन डिनोमिनेटर 1000 विल बी देयर एंड व्हाटएवर द मल्टीप्लाई इज 125 of 7. तो 3 डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल हम लगा सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट वे टू कन्वर्टिंग द रेशनल इन द डेसिमल एक्सपांशन. सी नाउ हियर द क्वेश्चंस आर write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. See it is simply converted into 0.36. तो ये हो जाएगी terminating. In denominator 11 is given, तो यहाँ पर जब हम 1 को 11 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर जो है वो रिपीटिंग डिजिट में आएगा, तो ये हो जाएगा नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, राइट. देन इसको जब हम सॉल्व करते हैं तो 8 4 जा 32 एंड 33 अपॉन 8. अगेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. 8 4 जा 32, 32 प्लस 1 33. सी तो अपॉन में 8 दिया है, इट मींस इट विल कन्वर्टेड इनटू डेसिमल एक्सपांशन. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, टर्मिनेटिंग. हियर 13 इज गिवन, तो इजीली नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. दिस विल बी इन non-terminating because 11 is given, 4 is given, so 4 is multiplied by 25, so that will convert it into it is again non-terminating, it will be converted into terminating. Is that clear? So again I am explaining you, again I am telling you कि जब denominator में 2 और 5 is given, then it will convert it into terminating decimal expansion, और इनके अलावा जो भी डिजिट दिए हो तो वो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल एक्सपेंशंस में आते हैं. नाउ we just move on question number 2. Now this is question number 2 of exercise 1.3. Question number 2 is what? You know that 1 upon 7 is equal to 0.142,857. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7 and 6 upon 7 without actually doing the long division method? If so, or how? So see, here 1 upon 7 is equal to given what? 0.142,857. So without doing long decimal, how we find the values of decimal expansions of 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. So see, first of all for 2 upon 7, simply we just do the multiply 142,857 with 2 only. Clear? 2 sevens are 14, carry 1, 2 fives are 10, plus 1 11, carry 1, 2 eights are 16, 16 and 17, 17 carry 1, 2 fours are 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 2 fours are 8 and 2. Is that clear? So here the value of 2 upon 7 is 0.285714. Now for 3 upon 7, we just multiply 0.142,857 with 3. 3 sevens are 21, carry 2, 3 fives are 15, 16, 17, carry 1, 3 eights are 24, 25, 3 twos are 6, 7, 8, 3 fours are 12, carry 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 and 4. Is that clear? So here the answer is 428571. Now the value of 4 upon 7. The value of 4 upon 7 is, we multiply 0.142,857 with 4. 4 sevens are 'So this is the value of 4 upon 7, 5, 7, 1, 4, 28. Now the next 5 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. So for 5 upon 7, you just do it with yourself. 0.142,857 multiply with 5 and 0.142,857 multiply with 6. And whatever the answer is, that is your answer of the question. So by this method, without doing the long division, we just find the decimal expansion of 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. Here I solved 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 7. This both you will do in homework. What? 5 upon 7. So whatever your product of this two, you just write over here, and product of this you just write over here. So this is the question number 2. Now we just move on with question number 3. Thank you.